Are you feeling tired, unfocused, and forgetful, yet you're only in your 20s? Think it's just part of adulting? Well, think again. This isn't normal. It could be what's called brain rot. And if you're constantly scrolling or binge watching, your brain might be suffering more than you think. Brain rot is what happens when we overload our minds with endless social media, nonstop streaming, and multitasking like it's going out of style. Our brains, they're slowly losing their edge. Attention spans shrink, memories get foggy, and suddenly you're struggling to focus on even the simplest things. If you've noticed this too, stay with us. In the next few minutes, we're diving deep into how brain rot is affecting our generation, and more importantly, how to stop it before it's too late. So give this video a like, hit subscribe, and let's get your brain back on track. All right, let's start with the basics. Brain rot isn't an official medical term, but it's the best way to describe what's happening when our minds get overwhelmed by constant stimulation. Think of it like this. Every scroll, every binge session, every notification adds a little more noise and a little less focus. All that stimulation is like background noise for the brain. We're not truly thinking anymore. We're just passively consuming. And before we know it, our attention spans shrink. Memory starts slipping, and it's like we're just drifting through our 20s. So, how does brain rot sneak into our lives? The biggest culprits are right in front of us: social media, endless video content, and multitasking. These aren't just time wasters, they're literally rewiring the brain. You see, every time you scroll or click, your brain gets a hit of dopamine, the feel good chemical. It's like a mini reward that keeps you coming back for more. But here's the catch: the more you indulge, the more dopamine you need. And soon you're not even feeling the rewards. Instead, you're just hooked. And it doesn't stop there. Jumping from screen to screen and multitasking between apps? Studies show this messes with our ability to focus. Over time, our brains get so used to switching that sitting still and focusing on just one thing becomes a struggle. Wondering if you're experiencing brain rot? Here are some telltale signs. Number 1, constantly distracted. If your hand's reaching for your phone every few minutes, or you find it hard to focus on a single task without checking your notifications, brain rot might be the culprit. Number 2, easily forgetful. If you're constantly forgetting details or even conversations you had yesterday, it could be that your mind's just too saturated. Number 3, low energy and motivation. Brain rot can make you feel unmotivated and mentally drained. That's why even small tasks feel exhausting. Number 4, feeling foggy. If you felt mentally foggy, like your brain's in a haze, this could be a sign that it's overworked and understimulated in the wrong ways. Here's where it gets real. A 2019 study published in JAMA Psychiatry found that teenagers who used social media a lot were more likely to struggle with focus. And another study in Neuroimage revealed that too much screen time could even change brain structure, especially in areas that control memory and decision making. When our brains are constantly on overdrive, they lose the ability to retain information and regulate emotions effectively. It's like the brain's stuck in go mode with no time to recharge. Can you relate? Let us know in the comments if you've felt the impact of brain rot. So, what can we do to stop brain rot in its tracks? Here are 5 simple, science-backed strategies to help your brain feel sharp and focused again. Number 1, digital detox. Taking even just one day a week away from screens can reset your mind and help you feel more present. Number 2, limit screen time. Set specific limits for social media or streaming apps. You'll be amazed at how much clearer your head feels. Number 3, active learning. Replace passive scrolling with active learning. Try reading a book, learning a skill, or tackling a puzzle. Your brain loves the challenge. Number 4, physical activity. Exercise isn't just good for the body, it's crucial for brain health too. It boosts blood flow, clears your mind, and even sharpens focus. Number 5, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness and meditation can actually rewire your brain for better focus and emotional control, giving you the mental refresh you need. If you're ready to say goodbye to brain rot and take control of your mind, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Don't let brain rot steal your 20s. Start making changes today to keep your brain sharp and focused. Thanks for tuning into Health Sketch, where we make health simple and relatable. Stay sharp, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.